If you have some tomatoes, potatoes, and cheese in your kitchen, you have to try this recipe. I like the juicy baked tomatoes, the creamy mashed potatoes, and the cheese. This is a very easy recipe. The ingredients are potatoes, tomatoes, cheese, salt, and pepper. You can also add other spices that you like. I also use some milk for the mashed potato. So first we need boiled potatoes and mash the potatoes. I add some milk on my mashed potatoes. You can also add butter on it and then season with salt and pepper. Cut the top of the tomatoes and then we need to remove the seeds and the juice of the tomatoes. Stuff the tomatoes with mashed potatoes. And then add the grated cheese. Bake this until the tomatoes are soft and the cheese are melted. It's ready! The stuffed tomatoes with mashed potatoes and cheese. You can improve this recipe by adding some meat like mincemeat, egg, bacon, and some herbs like spring onion and coriander. Thanks for watching and please watch my other videos.